What's up, guys? Welcome back to tbnoffroad. I am in Vegas for a work trip, and the hotels around here were all booked up and really expensive, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. So I got on the internet and figured out it's LS Fest. We're gonna go check it out. Let's go. Holley LS Fest is the largest engine-specific event in the world. The only entry requirement is the vehicle has to be powered by an LS family engine. What started over a decade ago in Holley's hometown of Bowling Green, Kentucky, has expanded to Las Vegas, Nevada, Fort Worth, Texas, and the original Bowling Green event. LS Fest features drag racing, drifting, autocross, burnouts, off-road racing, and a huge car show.
The smoking mullet. Got a little dry fire here, a little bit of water. This should do the trick. Just a little baby fire, people.
This is Travis versus Trent, ladies and gentlemen, on the first call out. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a round of applause. All right, they'll get it rolled back over.
All right, guys, it is summertime. It's Memorial Day weekend as we're filming this, and we have some exciting new merch. The American Flag Tee is now available on tbnoffroad.com, just in time for summer. We appreciate your support.
We have them available in charcoal, gray, black, and white.
I can't do any of them. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Travis made. Trent trying to win one more. If Trent can put it together, he gets the win. Travis trying to It looks like Zach is having issues.
This thing is killing that pavement. Let's get it.
All right, guys, that's it for today. A little bit different content for you, but we checked it out. It was pretty cool. Facebook, Instagram for all of your behind-the-scenes stuff. TBN Off-Road if you want to support the channel. We got new merch dropping all the time. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.